Hi, I'm Adam Drake from Mugen Seiki Racing. Today I'm going to show you how I set the throttle high point. Basically, what that is just how much the throttle servo pulls the carburetor open. There's a couple different ways you can do it. You can just pull the air filter, cut the zip tie, pull the air filter off. I don't really like using that method just because if you're at the track, it's dusty. You don't want to have the air filter off. Also, I see guys set their throttle endpoints, forget to put a zip tie on, go out for the next run, the air filter falls off. So for me, I always like to do it, especially when I'm at the track, with the air filter on. But you just take a pair of digital calipers. Well, first we'll go ahead and we'll turn the transmitter and radio tray on. Take a pair of digital calipers and measure the carburetor distance from where the mid-speed needle to the low-speed needle is. You'll zero out your calipers because this is basically showing you zero or neutral, so the engine at idle. And then you'll just take your radio, slowly pull the throttle, and as you do that, it will open the calipers. So I'm running a 6.5 millimeter Venturi right now, and the calipers are only opening 4.6. So what I need to do is go into the setup menu, go to EPA for throttle, high point. Right now I have it at 65%, so I'm going to turn it up to 75. Go back, measure, make sure the calipers are at 0 when you're at neutral. Pull it open, and now the calipers read 6.6 millimeters. So I'm just slightly past what my Venturi size is. So I'm going to turn it down 2%. See where that puts us. Now we're at 6.5 millimeters. So it's okay if you go maybe 0.2 of a millimeter over, under, but I always like to have the opening exactly the same as what the Venturi size is. Obviously, before setting the actual pull distance, you need to make sure that your deadband is set correctly. I like to run very, very little deadband. That way you have a lot of throttle response. So your first step will be to go ahead and set your deadband, then measure the carburetor, and then see how far it's opening. And again, always have your carburetor open the same distance as the Venturi size that you're running.